Hey friends, my name is Latifa. Thank you so much for booking our prom grab and go backdrop. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly set up this backdrop for you to have a flawless look on a budget. This design was specifically made for pretty much everybody, but if you're looking to send your kid off to prom and you're just looking for something simple yet elegant without the hassle of dealing with balloons, blowing up balloons, this is perfect for you. So what's going to come in your kit is you're going to have a pipe and drape set, which is right here. Depending on the package that you have, in this case, we'll be setting up our gold package, which come with 2 sequins and 3 spandex linen. Based on that, we will customize the color to what you need, as you know by now. And then we also have some red carpets and everything else included. So we're going to go ahead and set up everything that comes in the packet right about now. First thing first is you have your pipe and drape. You have your 2 base. You have your 2 base, and then you have your 2 upright and 1 crossbar. So we're going to take the pole and we're just going to drop it down. We're going to take our other pole. We're going to drop it down as well. With this pipe and drape, we have a little button right here. Every time it closes, this will come close and you will hear it snap. All you got to do is push that in and let that out to get the desired weight. This is good for a full backdrop. So about here is a good size. And we're going to place it. But honestly, you can be able to get this backdrop as long as, I believe, 10 to 12 feet long. But for this design, we recommend doing an 8x8 because it just make the look more beautiful. So now that we have placed it over there, we're going to come here, move this if need be, and place the crossbar so it can sit. And now this is secure. Because this base plate is so heavy, this is not going nowhere. If you are concerned and it is windy outside, get an extra sandbag and just put them on the bottom and you will be good to go. Now that we have our pipe and drape system set up, next tablecloth. I always use the analogy of, if you know how to put a curtain on a rod, you know how to put backdrop onto a backdrop system. And that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, friends, to show you that this is not a scam and it is as easy as I make it seem, sometimes if you're doing a simple backdrop, we are going to go ahead and put our backdrop together. And all I'm going to be doing is threading the panels onto the backdrop. Right now, what I'm doing is just putting it in the color palette that I would like it to lay in. So in this case, it will be 1 gold, 1 red, 1 black, 1 red, and 1 gold. So once we start to put it onto the rod, you will see what that looks like. And let's get started. Now all we're going to do is thread our backdrop panels onto the crossbar and just making sure that they're all on there. Like I said, if you know how to put a curtain onto a rod, you know how to put a panel up to a backdrop. You're going to spread it out to make sure it looks how you would like it. You can play with the design as you wish. And then you're just going to make sure the bottom is fixed. Take the last curtain and put it over the pole to make sure the pole is covered, and you can raise it to the desired height that you would like. Now that everything is leveled, you're going to go ahead and just fluff the bottom to make sure the floor is right. Place the column that comes fully assembled that we provide you with in the kit. What if this is an organic column like you're seeing in this video, or is this a classic column? The placement is the same. All you have to do is just place it next to the backdrop and open up your red carpet. Place it how you would like. And congratulations, you have did your first backdrop design using our grab and go system. This is a design that can be used for any upcoming event. Here's the final look.